Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a WhatsApp announcement community. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated process, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp app. You'll notice a new Communities tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all the magic happens. Tap on it to begin. Once you're in the Communities section, look for the New Community option. It should be right at the top. Tap on it, and then hit Get Started when prompted. This will launch the community creation process. Now comes the fun part, setting up your community. You'll be asked to enter a name for your community. Choose something catchy and relevant to its purpose. You can also add a description to give potential members an idea of what your community is all about. Don't forget to upload a profile picture or icon to make your community stand out. After you've filled in all the details, you'll see a checkmark icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on it to finalize your community creation. Here's where it gets interesting. WhatsApp automatically creates an announcement group for your new community. This is a special group where only admins can post messages, making it perfect for important updates or announcements that need to reach all community members. And there you have it. You've successfully created your WhatsApp announcement community. From here, you can start adding groups and inviting members to join. Remember, as the community creator, you'll be the admin by default, giving you control over settings and member management. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy community building.